Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do some basic text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. I'm going to click on my type tool and type the word hello there. Let me first enter here. So the font I'm using is Papersly, and for you to be able to change your font, you have to go to your Essential Graphics panel. If you are not seeing this panel in your own Premiere Pro, you have to go to the Windows and click on Essential Graphics. So let me reduce the size to about 178, align it to the center of my composition, and let us animate this text to move from here to there. So go to your effects controls. If you can't see your effects controls in your program, go to Windows and click on effects controls, or you can use this keyboard shortcut Shift and 5. Shift and 5. So to move this text from here to there, we are going to use something called keyframes. So this is the beginning of your timeline. At the position property, you can see the stopwatch icon here. Click on it to create a keyframe. Move your timeline a few frames forward. Then change your X position to about this. Then move your CTI to the beginning and click on spacebar to play, or you can click on this icon here. You can see that our text moves from this position to this place. So to make the animation more interesting and more boring, click on this keyframe here. You can reduce the duration that the animation is going to use to take place. Right click on it and select temporal interpolation and click on easing. And let's play this. You can see that it goes a bit faster towards the end. If you want more dynamic control on how this animation is going to the velocity of the animation, you have to click forward here and increase this handle. So it's going to, this type of curve is going to go faster at the beginning and the velocity decreases towards the end. So it's going to come faster here and decreases towards the end. You can see. But if I drag this down and I drag this to my right, drag this further, so it's going to start slowly and becomes faster towards the end. You can see. So that's how to animate that's the basic text animation in Premiere Pro, and this in the X coordinates. You can do the same for your Y coordinates. Let me go back to the first keyframe. Delete. If you want to delete this keyframe, you can just click on this stopwatch and you're going to actually delete these existing keyframes and you click on OK. So I have to click on this stopwatch again. Move my timeline 3 frames forward. I'm going to decrease my Y position. I'm going to drag my CTI to the beginning, and here we have a linear animation moving of the text moving downward. So same thing, to make our keyframes more interesting, we'll have to add some easing and ease out. So go to temporal interpolation and click on easing. And let us reduce the duration at which this animation will take place. So click on this drop down icon to control the curve. So let us increase it towards the end. When the speed, let the velocity increase towards the end. I'm going to drag this. Let me do it. So I see that it begins slowly and increases towards the end. That's because of this curve. If I drag this to my left, it's going to increase halfway across the animation. You can see. So that's how to do some basic animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.